Hi, good afternoon, friends. This is Nagbhushan. Again, that astrology classes series of the houses, what we are going on. First and second house, I already explained you in the previous lecture. Let us know regarding the third house. You see, third house is here in this chart. What you are seeing, the Virgo ascendant. The third house is ruled by Mars. Let us see that what Mars indicate. You see, the Mars is an aggressive planet, and also it is what you call it a soldier. And You see that Mars is also always a fighter, and the third house is well suited for him. Why? Because third house is third house is ability and what do you call the fight. If you want to fight enough and win in this fight, one has to have that ability. So Mars is what do you call doing well in the third house, and being a third lord also is having good capabilities. But in this chart, let us see who is the third lord. As the Mars is the third lord sitting in the sixth house. As you see, the sixth house is Pacha house, where we can see the litigation, we call court cases, ill health, debts, lot of negative things that they are that is indicating that the lord of third house is going to the sixth house is okay. Sometimes it is good enough. Why? Because what you call as Mars is a soldier, he is well fighting against the enemies, diseases, and even the debts, whatever is having fighting spirit over that. The person who is having ability and fighting spirit goes against enemies means certainly he will win over his enemies. That is what it indicate. Let us see any aspects on the third house. You see here the Venus having a aspect over the third house. As you see, the Venus is second lord and also the ninth lord. Second as well as the ninth lord is a good planet, and also where we can see okay, he is aspecting over the third house, so that makes him very talented in speech and very good in artistic qualities, as Venus is the lord of what you call lord of what do you call beauty, and Venus signifies the beauty, Venus signifies the music, Venus signifies the pleasure, Venus signifies the wealth, and all those things, and also is showing the politeness and we call hospitality, everything that will comes to the third house. So is of course having a good aspect over the third house. Due to that, one can say that he will do good in his third house. Why? Because I already told you the lord of third house is going to sixth house. Sixth house is the house of diseases, enemies, and also debts, whatever it is. Being a third house lord, his ability is there to fight against enemies, debts, and ill health, whatever. So due to that, it is a good placement. But where the lord of the sixth house is what do you call, Saturn. So Mars is not good with the Saturn. So in this house, you usually is not feeling comfortable with. That is what one of the demerit we can see in this what do you call third lord. Remaining all are good, and want to consider and tell about all houses means it is one has to see all houses and predict one's what do you call future. but as I am going through the houses now, due to that I am particularly taking that third house and the third lord and aspect of the third house, everything that is on about the third house. So that is what understands that third house is always good, and one who is having a third house lord placed in a very good house means is um, having a good communication abilities, good ability, good confidence, and whatever which are related to the third house. What if the third house is will should not be malefic aspect, and the third lord should not be having any malefic aspect and malefic house placement. If both are good enough, then he is having more confidence, more capable, and also his brothers and sisters flourish, and he will having a great what do you call communication abilities, and also is what do you call due to the very good aspect of the planet Venus, is having great singing, dancing, music. So whatever the things which comes under the Venus qualities, all that qualities you will excel. Thank you very much, friends. That is my analysis on the third house, regard third house and the third lord. I hope you understood. Thank you very much. If you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel. And if you want any consultation from my side, it is for free for some days. I have to put inbox your details to the 9611958781. That is my number. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.